This is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at job site address 414 Northeast 83rd Street in Vancouver, Washington. This is a video inspection, a second opinion inspection about a possible collapsed sewer liner. I pushed out the city main at approximately 72 feet. I've gained access to a 4-inch ABS cleanout in the backyard next to the porch. So this will be a backwards inspection. And like I say, I'm currently in the city main right now. It appears I'm either in 4-inch or 6-inch concrete. Here's a pretty major root intrusion at approximately 66 feet. I'm going to pause the video and try to locate it. Alright, I wasn't able to accurately record this or locate this because it was on the opposite side of the fence. I'm going to pull back a couple more feet and see if I can get a locate there. Here's the transition from the 4-inch ABS to the concrete. I'm going to pause my video now and try to locate this. Alright, I was able to locate this about a foot inside the fence line, approximately 6 feet deep, kind of in line with, looks like there's a light pole in the neighbor's yard, pretty close in line with there. I put some green paint on the ground. So there's a pretty major root intrusion here at that ABS concrete transition. I'm going to continue to pull back. Some minor film on my camera right now, so I can't tell if this is a root intrusion or some cobwebs, but something hanging down right here, but nothing major. Appears to be minor roots right here at 33 feet. Minor roots coming in there at 15 feet. And pretty decent separation here where it's pushed the pipe up. This most likely is caused by the big tree. Looks like it's roots that have pushed this up. I'm going to pause the video and locate this. Alright, we located this. Looks like there's a tomato plant and a couple other plants. This is approximately, excuse me, 3.5 feet deep. And a pretty decent separation there. You can see the top of the pipe. Alright, I'm back at the cleanout now. This completes my inspection. Just from what I'm seeing here, I would assume this is 4-inch, what we call thin wall ABS, and that's where the roots are coming in. But I've got enough information here, and this completes my inspection.